ki khubor ka bate si TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
Nongtrei ke State Bank of India ki badai ki scheduled tribe but scheduled caste ki badan hapok ke Shatri Employees Welfare Association jonga Northeast Circle 1 ki lapon longi ya ke jingi kenduk lang ke basisen ha ke Snem Kumba man la kapor. Ya ke ne ke lempung lapon long ha St. Anthony's College Shillong ha ke basan spangut ki Nongtrei ki lapoi. Ha ke ne ke sngi Menteri Sarkar bopek ya ke Tourism, Arts and Culture ba poleng do Ulawan manshim ya kabenta ku mukongsan haka jingye don lang rengkat bat ki head officer jongga State Bank of India.
The message that we have just heard from the CGM is very relevant. It shows that whatever we have achieved, there is this saying that when you look back to see what we have done in life, you always see that we have done a lot. But when you look ahead and see what remains to be done, what we have already done is just a pittance. It's a very small fragment compared with what remains to be done. Therefore, I encourage each one of you to take banking and your profession seriously. You should be a bank where people should bank upon. As you're aware, the Northeast in general, and Meghalaya in particular, I'm familiar with this state more than the other states, and I can say with confidence that our USPs, which is our nature, our climate, our culture, our cuisine, our customs, these are all very huge assets which are bankable and which can be transformed into a huge success story. No person other than a fool can sit on top of a gold mine and complain of poverty. Yesterday a friend reached from Delhi and he said that he could feel a huge difference when he comes to Shillong. He said, in Delhi, we do not see the sky, we see the air. In Shillong, we see the sky and we feel the air. He said, that's a big difference between Shillong and Delhi. So that is something, a strength, a powerful asset that the Northeast has. Our nature and the hospitable nature of our people are important soft skills that we can bank upon. And who else can do this except the banking fraternity? Therefore, my appeal on behalf of the state government of Meghalaya is to encourage each one of you to be more customer friendly. The kind of message that we have just heard from the CGM, I can tell you that it's very, when I sit in the office, it's very difficult to turn away these people representing various private banks. They're very aggressive. They try to follow me even in the corridors of the secretariat to get some deposits. I have not had such kind of encounter from any of you in the SDR.